Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to explore a powerful and exciting device called the microbit. So what is a microbit? Microbit is a small programmable electronic board. It is also called a microcontroller. It was developed by the BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation, to make coding easy and fun for students. In simple words, microbit is a tiny computer that follows your instructions. Why microbit? Microbit is designed for beginners and you don't need any coding experience. It helps you learn coding, problem solving, creativity, and electronics. Features of microbit. Now let's look at the powerful features. LED display. Microbit has a 5x5 LED matrix that means 25 small lights. It can display letters, numbers, symbols, and animation. Buttons. There are two buttons, button A and button B. They are used to give input. For example, press A button and something happens. Accelerometer. Microbit has a motion sensor. It can detect shake, tilt, and movement. Compass. It has a built-in compass and it can detect direction like north, south, east, and west. Temperature sensor. Microbit can measure temperature. This helps in environment-based projects. Light sensor. It can detect light levels. For example, it can know if it is dark or bright. Bluetooth. Microbit supports Bluetooth. It can connect wirelessly to mobile phones and other devices. Pins. There are input and output pins used to connect external components like motors, sensors, LEDs. Speaker. Microbit version 2 has a speaker. It can play sounds and music. Microphone. It also has a microphone, so it can detect sounds like a clap. Power system. Microbit can be powered using USB cable or a battery pack. Working of a microbit. Now let's understand how microbit works. Basic working. Microbit follows a simple process: input, process, output. Step by step. First, you write a program using Microsoft Make Code, then you upload the program to the microbit, and finally, it runs your program. Example: when you press a button that is input, microbit processes the instruction and shows the output on the display. Continuous working. Microbit runs your program again and again. So it keeps checking, is the button pressed, is there movement, is there light, and then it responds. Internal working. Inside microbit, there are input devices like buttons, sensors, and there is a processor as well. This processor acts as the brain, and there are output devices. Output devices such as LEDs and speakers. Applications. With microbit, you can build many projects like digital dice, games, step counter, temperature monitor, smart systems, and even robots. Importance. Microbit is used in schools worldwide because it helps students understand real-world technology in a simple way. Why microbit? It is easy to use, beginner-friendly, small and portable, and very powerful. Microbit is not just a device. It is your first step into coding, robotics, and innovation. Thank you for watching. Start learning, start creating, and build your future with microbit.